All right, it's that season time again where you're gonna set up your lights, and look at this LED lights, outdoor, indoor graded. Comes with a remote here. It's a push of a button. Pretty much, you plug it in, and you're ready to go. So we're gonna set these up outdoors today in our fence line, and we're gonna see how long it could reach because it's really long. So I'm gonna try to see if we could use the whole thing or as much as we can. All right, here's the final product, guys. Looks fantastic. I put it on my fence. It was a long cord. I did get tangled a couple times, but I was able to untangle it, and here it is. Looks beautiful. Let's change the color, see how it looks.